How to fix SIM not supported on iPhone. Let's get started. This message usually appears if your iPhone is locked to another carrier, the SIM card is damaged, or there is a software issue. Let's go through some easy solutions. First, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and volume up button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and then turn your iPhone back on. Your iPhone may be carrier locked, meaning it can only be used with a specific carrier. To check that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of General, click on the option of About. Scroll down to Carrier Lock. If it says SIM locked or shows a carrier name, contact your carrier to unlock it. If your iPhone is unlocked and the issue persists, inspect your SIM card. Use a SIM ejector tool to remove the SIM card tray. Inspect the SIM card for damage. Clean it with a microfiber cloth, then reinsert it carefully. If this solution doesn't work for you, reset network settings. For that, head back. Navigate to the option of General. Click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Enter your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process. Next up, check for software update. For that, head back. Navigate to the option of Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. And that's it. One of these steps should fix SIM not supported issue on an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.